Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here in Butuan City. First time I've been here, actually. Really cool staying here. I spent one night heading out tomorrow doing a tour through Mindanao. And so really first impressions of this city. Located in the northeast corner of Mindanao, a couple hours out of CDO, a couple hours out of Siargao City. So I'll put it up on the map exactly where I'm at. I'm also at the Go Hotel. Great place to stay if you're here visiting the town because it's conveniently located right on the Robinsons Mall. And probably after this, I'll just do a quick tour of the mall and kind of show you around there. It's a little bit rainy out, so I'm not quite sure how much outside stuff I'm going to get to show you. But I wanted to show a little bit of Butuan and the area where I'm at right now. So let's do a quick hotel room tour really quick, and I'll show you around. So this room right here is 2,100 pesos. So, and honestly, my buddy who I'm traveling with, Jim, he booked on Agoda and he got it for 2,800 pesos. So it might just be a different room, whatever, but I thought that was kind of interesting. So 2,100 pesos tonight. And as usual, I'll convert all that stuff out. But obviously, honestly, this bed is just massive. I think I slept on maybe a quarter of it last night. But yeah, here's a quick room tour. You've got a kind of separate bathroom and all that. So here's the toilet in here. Bidet is freaking rock star. And then you've got the shower in here, which I haven't used it yet. I did notice that there was hot water in the sink here. And so I say that because I don't see a hot water heater in the shower. So, and then yeah, just a little bit bathroom here. Cool view outside. I'll put that footage in. I actually shot it right out the window there. A little bit of a rainy day. Here. So like I said, I'm not sure how much outdoor stuff I'll get you, but I love to get along the river here and shoot along that. It looks like a really cool scene. But yeah, I like this town. Is it close to 400,000? A little bit bigger than Ormoc. Similar kind of vibe, but I like these towns a lot here. A little bit of kitchen area, and yeah, you can see here, this is some of the stuff I travel with. I like to bring like breakfast stuff, oatmeal, and my own coffee, so I got a pour over. So I don't know, it just makes it easy. I still get up super early. I was up at like 5:30 in the morning. So I get up, make my coffee, and make my breakfast here, save a couple bucks, and have something I actually really enjoy too. So anyways, guys, you know what I'll do right next here, I'll wait for the mall to open up. It should open up here in a little bit, and then we'll go down and then I'll walk around the mall and kind of show you the mall here. It's super impressive, it's massive, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, out of the shower and out front of the Go Hotel here. And it's also, as I was saying, directly attached to the Robinson Mall, man. So this place is really great if you're staying here in Butuan. You're, easy access to the mall and all the restaurants and stuff. It's starting to rain a little bit. I'm hoping to get out and show you guys a couple of things today. But let's go inside. I'll walk around the mall. I'll show you around the mall. Be right back. Hey, what's up, everybody? We're down here inside the mall now. And look at this. I mean, this is a freaking massive 3-story mall. Tons of shops, tons of restaurants, big movie theater. Really cool. I like it out here. We've had a couple meals out here already. Decent food. They've got a Bo's Coffee out here. But this isn't actually one of the newer malls. There's a newer mall right down the street. We'll check that up in a little bit because I'm gonna grab some lunch with my buddy Jim. So we're gonna head over to SM City Mall, which is the newer mall. And then after that, we're gonna try to hit up some old ruins from the 1600s. So stay tuned, be right back. Hey, all right, stop for a bite to eat here in the SM City Mall. This mall is freaking rock star. It looks like it's really new, and I'm at one of the really upscale restaurants here, and it's called Imes Bar and Grill. And I ordered, the menu here is really exclusive. It's just massive. I ordered the burger and fries, so that's coming. But yeah, it looks like they had really good pizza, and they had steaks. A little bit on the expensive side. I believe my meal is going to be around 500 pesos, and I'll convert that out, but I'll be right back with the food. All right, guys, so the food got here. Man, check out this burger. This thing's an absolute massive. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. It looks so good. Yeah, that looks incredible. Got some Parmesan fries, big burger, really good garnishing, really good ketchup. So, all right, I'm gonna eat this. I'll be right back. Just had some lunch. I'm absolutely stuffed. And we're out here wandering around the mall. in SM City. It's one of the newer malls. And this place, guys, this place is massive. Really dig it. That lunch place is really good too. So yeah, really nice mall, big mall, really modern. Bunch of restaurants and other shops that are here. So yeah, really enjoy Butuan City. Next stop, we're gonna come up. I'm gonna show you guys this ancient ruins. It's from, I think it's a church from the 1600s. It's Banza is the name of the church. So stay tuned for that. Be right back. Hey guys, I made it out to the church. Read a little bit about the church for you. Check this out, really cool. The Banza Church Ruins, the oldest stone church in Mindanao. The Banza Church Ruin in Butuan City is one of the oldest religious landmarks in Mindanao, built by the Spanish missionaries in 1625. It was originally known as the Mission of St. Joseph. It was the first church established in Butuan, making it historical significance not just for the city, but for the entire region. Yeah, so just really cool, right? Built in 1625, man. It was burned down by, Moro pirates in the late 1700s. The current state is that we're in right now. It's the ruins surrounded by a massive bullet tree, which is right out here. I'll show you guys this tree. This tree is massive. Check this out. Oh, this thing's it's wild, right? So yeah, just out here and along the river here. I'll show you guys the river. The weather is a little bit rainy, as you might see some drops on the camera lens. So I don't know what else I'll get on this video. I'd like to get up and show you guys the bridge up here too. Maybe around sunset. Maybe we'll finish the video there, hopefully. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys these ruins here. There's a lot more to do here in Butuan. I like this town. Good population, friendly locals. So we'll be right back with something. I'm not sure what, but we'll be right back. Guys, after that burger and fries and what I didn't show, a strawberry blizzard, I had to go for a run. I just got back from a run. I know, right? Love the headband. It keeps the sweat out of my eyes. I mean, I think most of you guys who've watched the channel long enough know I just don't really care how I look. Anyways, man, what a day in Butuan. I know I've said this a bunch of times. It seems like every town that I go into, I feel this way, and it's true. But I love this town. I could actually see myself being here. And one of the things that I really like that I'm driving around and seeing all these towns, I do get a better feel for what I like. And one of those things is population. You know, this has got close to that 400,000 mark that I was saying. It's got really nice malls, the SM City Mall and the Robinson Mall. Both of those malls are actually really, really cool. The SM City Mall is brand new. It's got a bunch of really cool restaurants, man, and that's really key. The other thing that is important to point out about the malls here is a lot of times these malls, guys, they have your dentist, their doctor's office in there, their city offices, your immigration, so they're these, and then grocery store. So they're really this huge mecca of, you know, one-stop shopping for us as foreigners. You know, you can get everything done there. So they're really different than the United States malls. They're social environments, right? You meet people, go on dates. They're huge. So they're kind of a key thing. So I love it here, right? I do love this town. Up next, heading out tomorrow, going down to the east coast of Mindanao, staying in a small town. I can't remember the name of it. Isabel, maybe? Anyways, I'll put it up on the map where I'm going. Couple hour drive, really excited about that. And from there, probably gonna just shoot down the coast, you know, take whatever, 3 or 4 days and shoot down the coast. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. What a day. Just truly, I'm having a good time here. Beautiful riding, beautiful people in the scene. So really a big fan. Everyone take care. Amping, feed the good wolf. Really appreciate to the Patreon supporters. Check the link in the video description if you'd like to follow me on Patreon. I offer a bunch of free content out there too, a lot of behind the scenes stuff, things that I don't necessarily post on YouTube. Like Mary Rose and I did this whole trip off to Northern Leyte that I didn't post, but it's exclusively there. It's all free stuff, so check it out. Link in the description. See you guys. Be the good wolf.